Good day, investors. Welcome to the 2nd of March 2015 market review. The trade for today is called Standard Bank or SBK. The action is to do a sell here or short. The entry level will be 155 Rand and 32 cents, and the target on this trade on the green line will be 149 Rand and 12 cents. Stop loss to be used is 158 Rand 42 on the high. Current open trades on this market review is Tiger Brands. It's still open from the 26th of February. These are all closed trades, as you can see. Looking at the top 40 index. Now currently the top 40 index is the top 40 shares on the JSE, indicated by the dark blue line. And it's currently still trading above the 10-day moving average and the 20-day moving average on the top there. So it's still in a positive cycle. Looking at your Dow Jones, that's the American markets. They closed 81 points lower, and they closed on this level here on Friday. Just want to indicate it to you by drawing up this green line. They physically closed on that level there, losing 81 points on Friday. So still there's a lot of support here on 18,000 points. And it's still in a positive movement between the green and the red line in the short term. So take note, the futures are currently about 32 points positive for a Monday afternoon opening. Looking at the J200, that's the top 40 shares from the JSE. Still trading between the green and the red Bollinger Bands in a positive channel. Here close to a level of 47,000. Current highs was 47,250. But they're trading on that momentum. They're going a bit sideways, and this ups and downs there, indicated from last week, shows you the volatility on the specific instrument or the index as well. Let's run to the banking sector. Standard Bank broken the 150 Rand 54, broken the table price there of the middle of the Bollinger Band. Next expectation low could be close to this level here, and that level there is about 150. So there's another 2 Rand into this. Need to keep a close eye on this one as well. Another share is Barclays Bank in that sector. Look at this A, B, C, A. So it's on the top of the little positive channel here, and you can actually go and draw it up here after it when started to go sideways. Now look at this. This is what you call a small positive channel, and as you can see, I'm drawing this up like this. So there's the low, high, low, high, low. At any time, if it breaks this Fibonacci level of 191 Rand 67, or this 190 level, more downside could be back to this bottom here of about plus minus 185 Rand. So keep a close eye on this momentum as well. Looking at some indicators, it's coming off from that indicator, so it's indicating to me so that we could see a bit of a small retrieve happening here from this small positive channel. Looking at Investec, lovely share to trade at this moment, still in a positive channel, closed high of 105, still trading between the green and the red and the positive channel. You can actually just extend this green line here and you can confirm that, and the share seems to be quite toppish at this moment. What it means toppish is quite high on the instruments. Looking at your RSI, also quite high on the instruments there, and another indicator called MACD starting to fade up, and if this black line breaks this green line downwards, more downside could be due on this one, coming from the top of the cycle back to the bottom to the green line. Let's go and look at your MTNs. Very interesting what I've drawn up on MTN is over the weekend is basically you can see the share is went in a downward cycle, bottom, top, bottom, top, bottom, top. Now what's it doing here? Now it's on the top of the cycle. Now it's breaking down. At any time if it breaks these lows here, and that could be indicated if you look at that low there of 206. Next low could be back to 202, and the next latest low on that low is about 198 if the share wants to continue in this downward movement here, but it needs to break this 206 on the bottom of the Bollinger Band if it wants to physically come further down. So keep a close eye on this one. It's on the top, coming down from the cycle. Vodacom. Now Vodacom is also starting to fade out, test the middle of the Bollinger Band, and the next expectation low is here close to 134. So let's see what that one can bring us up in the near future. Looking at the Xara, so on the top, looking at this green, red in the positive cycle, trading at 115 Rand, closed at 114.26. Now you can actually go and draw up your support levels here as well. Now look at this, there is support levels, and if you use the top one, just want to select it here. If you select the top one there, there's also a bit of a support signals here. Expectation share could go here close to 117 in the short term, but now look at this low, high on the top of this green cycle and on the top of the Bollinger Band. So we could expect some downward movement if it breaks at 111 Rand, coming back to the 109 Rand on the green there. So it's in a positive channel on the top of the channel. Another share to watch closely is called CFR. Now if you look at CFR on a 2-year chart, upwards, downwards, a positive channel, broke the table on the top there at 105. Now at any time if this share breaks, you see this red line I've drawn up here, high, broken that cycle. But as soon as it breaks that low buttons there, the green and this 102.76, this share could have most probably more cycling coming down, like this up, this down, this up, sideways and coming down. Otherwise 105, next high could be close to 107.40, so keep it close on this trade as well. Enjoy your trading, and let's see what this week brings up for us.